Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again. In today's video, we will discuss about how can we use YouTube on your background. How can you use YouTube without running the application on your profile, and how can you do other works while watching YouTube and listening any music on your YouTube. How can we avail this setting? So the first option is to avail this setting is you just have to buy YouTube Premium for a month, and I will show you that YouTube Premium charges and how can you subscribe to that. And the second option is you can download YouTube Music and you can create a subscription and you can buy that, and you can, if you like only music, then you can use YouTube Music for separate. And if you want to watch movies on background or watch any different kind of video on background, how can you do that? We just have to open our YouTube here like this and click on the right top of screen called this, and you can see this is a YouTube profile. How can we avail this setting? You have to go on the get YouTube Premium option on the fourth here, click on it, and you can see this is an Indian currency, that is 169 a month, like about $2 a month. That is fees of YouTube Premium. You can just click on this, and also you can try it for 1 month without any money or without any charges deducted. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you. If you have any type of questions, any type of query, or any type of confusion regarding any application, just drop it into the comment section.